In this video, we are learning how to create this type of slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select the rectangle shape, drag it like this, duplicate the shape and then align center and align middle. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select around a rectangle, drag it like this. Select the yellow dot and drag it to the left and make the rotation size 45. Place here, duplicate the shape and set it to itself. Also select this shape and choose Intersect from more shape. Select this, click on right button and bring to front. And let's take the shape a little lower side. Also select this shape and choose Intersect from more shape. Select both. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Also select the background color. Go back to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Click the right button and cut the picture. Select this shape, click on Picture or Texture Fill and insert picture from clipboard. And deselect Rotate with Shape. Go to Shadow and select Inner Shadow from Presets. Increase blur size. Select this shape. Go to Format. Change the color using eyedropper. Go back to Insert. Select the text box. Write Expert here. Select and change the font. Make it bold. Increase the font size. Also change the color using eyedropper. Press Ctrl Shift and take it down. Write Slide here. Select and change the color. Press Ctrl Shift and take it down. Decrease the size. Let's write 2024 here and change the color. Let's also add an appropriate icon to the slide. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.